What's up, y'all? It's Jullien going from the multifamily movement. I got my general contractor Noel here. He holding out all my work here in New Orleans, man. This the go-to guy right here. And so we looking at this off-market deal. You see what you deal with off-market deals. You got holes in the ceiling and stuff like that. And so it's just a duplex. We found it through a relationship with a neighbor. They used to live here. Their stepdaughter still own it, and we're gonna see what we can get it for. And so you bring your GC to really take a look at what it's gonna cost to fix this up. It's a lot of damage. Look, you can see straight through to the roof right there. We probably gotta replace the entire roof, but look at the bathroom, y'all. But real quick, let me just tell you what an off-market deal is. Y'all already know what an off-market deal is because you got hookups at various stores. This is terrible. This is bad, y'all. Straight through, see the sunshine. So yeah, what you think?
I have a
Feeling?
I have a feeling we're gonna go all the way back.
Oh, that's the kitchen. You think there's another room back there? I think this was the kitchen. Oh, there might be another room.
Because to be from outside look long.
Yeah.
I
So,
think we never go.
so there's more square footage. It probably could be three. It could probably be 3 bedrooms. It could probably be 3 bedrooms. But she said there's no flooring over there, so we can't get back. We'd have to open that door. The roof still go. Yeah.
Look all the way there.
Yeah. So y'all already know what an off-market deal is. You got hookups at various stores like Macy's and Best Buy and whatnot. And when you get an off-market deal, you get things for a discount, right? The problem with the off-market deals that we typically get are on expenses and liabilities like shoes and electronics and clothes. We want to get off-market deals on assets and income, okay? You want to get an off-market deal on assets and income. So how do you get an off-market deal? You get it through a relationship. I don't shop on Jullien and Zillow for real estate, okay? Because those websites will give a 30% markup. Once those properties hit those particular websites, now a whole bunch of people are seeing it and the demand goes up. When more demand is there, right, price goes up. So off-market deals before it ever gets to those websites. So you have to know the difference between real estate listings and real estate deals. We're not looking for real estate listings, okay? I don't want the MLS. I want real estate deals. And so what I think I found right here is a real estate deal. This property has been vacant on my block for quite some time now, and it just took some time to get to the right person. Finally got that person's information, finally got inside the property. This is my first time seeing it, and the bones are good. The structural integrity is good. The floors level and things of that nature. We got to tear out these walls, redo the layout, probably do an entire new roof. Obviously the bathrooms, new bathrooms, everything new. But if they give me the right number, actually I know the number that's good for me. If they agree on that number, then we can move forward, okay? So if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com, where I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this one. We're going to do a BRRRR on a multifamily. A lot of people do BRRRR strategy on single family homes, but I do them on multifamily. All right? Much love, y'all. Peace.